Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Right, this morning I'm just going to show you how to actually set up your network on here. So first of all, obviously, we have to switch the machine on. Tilt it a little bit so you can maybe see it a little bit more clearly, hopefully. Yes, that's not so bad. You can see that, I think, quite easily. Okay, so it comes up with the as normal with the front screen, and then you get some beautiful pictures. And to progress as per normal, you have to touch the screen and it will tell you that the carriage will move. Okay, so that's all ready to start. So now we want to go into the settings department. Let's try and do it left-handed actually, in fact, so you can see from the camera. And it's got a little tool which is like a little wrench or some such similar thing. So we press on there and it will give you, here you've got your language, then you can set it to whether you want it in inches or millimeters, your cut area, so you've got all the different lengths you can cut, the pattern interval, which we'll go into later, okay, background on slightly lighter or off, cut speed 5, cut pressure 3, cut pressure manual blade, so we can use it as a manual, which is something I wasn't sure about yesterday. Half cut on or off, cut amount 1 millimeter each, so we can change that. Cut pressure auto, so for the half cut. Blade adjustment area, which we don't need to go into at this set stage. Blade adjustment, draw pressure, seam allowance, the fill, which is if you want to fill something that you're doing, you've got the fill pattern there. But you can also get this into this from the actual settings on your machine. So let's go back out of that. Additional line. Auto shutdown after 1 hour or longer if you wish, whether you want the buzzer on or off, whether you want the opening screen on or off. Scan cutting position adjustment. I haven't actually looked at that, but that's just to adjust everything, which I don't need it to do, so we can get out of that, hopefully. Yes, so I'm going to return from that because at the moment I don't want to do anything with that because I don't know if it's in the correct place or not. So here we have the version number, the actual version of the software, the machine information, and here, this is where we come to our network. So it says that there's one available, and it says it's on. So here we would set up the wizard. Here, searching for it, and then it gives you whichever that you want. So I want this particular one. Okay, and then I put my password in. So I'm just going to put you on pause for a second because I don't really want to display my password. I'm sure you'll understand the reason for that. Once you've put that in, it then asks you to apply these settings. So I'm going to say yes, and hopefully I've put the correct password in. And it's connecting to the actual internet, hopefully. And specify the Canvas workshop settings in order to send cutting data. So, okay, so next. Register the connection between the Canvas workshop, the Workspace account, and the machine in order to send the Canvas details. Okay, next. Register your machine. Type in the following number to register input code to the next screen, at the next screen. So register your machine number. Okay, so I'm just going to stop that a second while I write that down. Right, in order to get this PIN code that you need next, you just need to log on to the Canvas workspace, go into the help section, the last thing, and then you will find, sorry, that is my cat. It's decided she wants to be a TV star. So you go into there and you find, you log in this machine number and you will get the PIN number that you require to put in on the next screen. So I'm going to put that one in. and press OK, and it should be processing it now. So the Canvas Workspace setting has been specified. OK. So it's got my login and etc. That can stay the same. And so as you will see, everything's done. It's all done and dusted. So I don't need to change it. So I presume I just press the home button. I don't need to go back again. So it says it's registered, network, etc. So I can press OK. And we're all done and dusted and ready to receive the actual internet now for updating the machine, etc, etc. So I have to apologise for my stuttering because my cat is being an absolute monster and she doesn't like the fact that I have a new machine. So come on, Blondie, say goodbye to the audience. You're going on the floor again. So there we have it. That's how you actually set up your network whatever. As you can see, I have now, well, you can't see because I did it without you seeing me do it, but I turned my machine off and I turned my machine on again, and now we have the Wi-Fi signal and we have the fact that it knows it's been updated, that it's on the Wi-Fi, and we have an update available. So I presume we just press this ear button here, and it says the latest version available in the server cannot operate for a few minutes until the update is complete. So we know that. So we can say update, getting updated file. So obviously it's going from version 1.04 to version 1.05. What difference that will make, I'm not quite sure because I haven't looked at what the versions are. And this obviously takes a few moments. And then you'll be ready and up and running with the latest software on the machine. And that will, whenever there's a new update, once you've got it logged onto the Wi-Fi, it will come up. If there's a new update, it will actually tell you that there's a new update and you can go ahead and update it. So I hope that helps if you weren't quite sure about it. Okay, until the next time, bye.